Evie, don't you think, Evie, do we stand on chairs? Good squat.
Evie, sit down.
I like those are good squats, but let's not do them on the table.
With a popsicle in your hand. Sit down. All the way on your bottom. Thank you.
Let me see. Can you do a pull-up?
Can you do it?
There you go. Good job. Yay.
She's the best. Okay?
Good job.